In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join an expired Discord link in just 5 minutes. So, maybe you've run into the problem where you have an invite to a Discord server, but unfortunately, it has expired. Don't worry, there's a way around it, and I'm here to guide you through that process smoothly. First things first, you need to open Discord and log into your account. It might seem straightforward, but ensuring you're logged in correctly is the crucial first step. Just fire up the Discord app or the web version and enter your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and create one. It's quick and simple. Once you're all set and you see the familiar interface in front of you, you know you're ready to proceed. Now, once you're in Discord, direct your attention to the left sidebar of your screen. Here you'll find various options and icons. Look for an option labeled Discover. This feature is designed to help users find new servers to join, acting almost like a catalog of communities you can explore. Go ahead and click on Discover. Next, it's time to zero in on the server you're interested in joining. You might have come across its name in the invite link or maybe from a recommendation. In any case, you'll need to click on the server option listed under Discover. This section aggregates multiple servers, making it easy to pinpoint the one you are looking for or to even stumble upon some new and interesting options. Once you click on a server, use the search function to find the exact server you want to join. Enter relevant keywords or the server's name in the search bar, which will help refine your results. When you find the server, click on the Join button. This action sends a request to become part of that server, allowing you to start engaging in the community activities and discussions. However, there may be instances where the server you're looking for is not visible or doesn't appear in the search results. If this happens, don't fret. The likely reason is that the server is private or not publicly listed. In such cases, the best course of action is to contact the server owner or someone who's part of the server already. Reach out and request a new, active invite link directly from them. This way, you'll be sure to receive an up-to-date link, enabling you to join the server without any further hassle. So, that's how you can navigate the situation if you encounter an expired Discord link. By using Discord's inbuilt features and communicating with server members, you can connect to the desired communities effortlessly. Now you're all set to dive into the Discord world. So go on and start exploring.